Here's how you can simply invite your friends to like your page on Facebook. So first up, what you need to do now is that you want to click on these three lines right over here. Once you do that, scroll down until you find the pages option and click on it. And then switch over to your page by clicking on the switch now option. And then click on your page's profile. And then what you want to do now is this, you can see that there's professional dashboard, add to story, and then there's these three dots right over here. Click on the three dots and then simply click on the invite people to connect option. Once you do that, you can then simply switch profile. And then what you want to do now is that you want to select the people you want to invite to your Facebook page, or you want the people you want to invite to like your Facebook page. Then once you have selected those people, what you want to do now is that you want to select, or rather click on the send invitations. And that should easily send invitations to those people so that they can simply like your Facebook page. So if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.